In today's video, I'll walk you through the simple yet sensational process of crafting a cup of golden wellness infused with ginger's refreshing flavors or turmeric milk's richness. You'll also learn about turmeric's critical health benefits and how the body will properly absorb it. Get ready to strengthen your health and nourish your body with every sip because both recipes are a real treasure of health benefits. So whether you're seeking a comforting beverage or a natural remedy, each sip of these potent beverages will be a step towards a healthier you. Turmeric is an important spice and herb for targeted detoxification and cleansing of our bodies from digestive disorders and problems. In addition, it effectively helps with fever, inflammation, and arthritis. Turmeric has been used for 4,000 years, especially by the Indian culture, for its healing and detoxifying properties. It belongs to the ginger family and is distinguished in the Ayurveda medical tradition. Drinking turmeric tea or milk in the morning or before bed is excellent for natural headache relief, strengthening our immune system, anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and anti-cancer properties, relieving colds and viruses, reducing joint pain, helping to treat gastrointestinal problems and irritable bowel syndrome, and improving the quality of sleep as a relaxant. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to support my growth and hit the notification bell, so you don't miss out my next videos. Turmeric tea with ginger is a delicious and healthy drink that can help boost your immunity, reduce inflammation, and improve your mood. They have endless benefits for the body and mind and are potent spices used for centuries in traditional medicine and global cuisine. Turmeric contains curcumin, which has antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and anti-cancer properties. This fantastic spice can help ease the symptoms of arthritis, heart disease, diabetes, and Alzheimer's disease. Curcumin can also improve our brain function and mood by increasing dopamine and serotonin levels in our brains. Ginger is a natural anti-inflammatory and anti-nausea agent that can help soothe our stomach and digestion. It can also help lower cholesterol, blood sugar, and blood pressure. Ginger can also enhance the immune system and fight off infections by stimulating the production of white blood cells. Lemon is a perfect source of vitamin C, which can strengthen our immune system and protects us from colds and flu. Lemon can also help prevent anemia by improving iron absorption in foods. It can also detoxify the liver and kidneys by flushing out toxins and waste products. Honey is one of the best natural sweeteners that can add flavor to tea. It can also help soothe the throat and reduce cough by coating irritated mucous membranes. Honey is also antibacterial and antifungal, which can help prevent infections and heal wounds. To make this fantastic tea, you will need the following ingredients. 3 heaped teaspoons of ground turmeric. 1 tablespoon of freshly grated ginger. 1 small orange, zest pared. Honey or agave to taste. Lemon slices to serve. The steps to make turmeric with ginger tea are easy. Boil 500 milliliters or 17 ounces of water in a small saucepan or pot. Add the turmeric, ginger, and orange zest to a teapot or jug. Pour the boiling water over the ingredients and let it steep for 5 to 7 minutes. Strain the tea through a sieve or tea strainer into 2 cups. If you like, add a slice of lemon and sweeten with honey or agave. You can also add some black pepper and 1 teaspoon coconut oil to enhance the absorption of curcumin from the turmeric. Black pepper contains piperine, a compound that can increase the bioavailability of curcumin by up to 2,000%, while coconut oil is a healthy fat that can help transport curcumin into your cells. You may enjoy this beverage as a warm or cold drink, depending on your preference. To get the most benefits from the fresh ingredients, drinking it as soon as you make it is best. However, you can also store it in the fridge for up to 3 days and reheat it at a low temperature when you want to drink it. This tea is a great way to start your day or to have it as a midday pick-me-up. It can help you feel more energized, refreshed, and relaxed. It can also help you treat or prevent various health issues and improve your overall well-being. Alternatively, a cup of turmeric milk before bed or any other time of the day will also provide essential antioxidants to your body. Antioxidants prevent or reduce cell damage in the body, caused by harmful free radicals. This oxidation and destruction of cells is known as oxidative stress. Turmeric milk, however, will strengthen and help reduce inflammation in the body because from inflammation problems come all diseases and ailments, whether temporary or chronic. Some chronic conditions include cardiovascular, dementia, Alzheimer's, diabetes, obesity, Parkinson's disease, hypertension, eczema, psoriasis, ulcerative colitis, collagen diseases such as lupus, osteoporosis, multiple sclerosis, chronic anemia, and thyroid gland chronic diseases. Inflammation is also one of the most harmful factors to the brain and its neurons' health. In addition, brain cell renewal and growth should be our immediate goals. Neurons are where all neurological and brain diseases and illnesses start, such as dementia, Alzheimer's, and Parkinson's. This drink has potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that help prevent or treat anxiety and depression, intense fatigue and exhaustion, and cardiovascular diseases. Its antibacterial properties strengthen our immune system and are critical for keeping our body strong and healthy. At the end of the video, you can also find how to make ginger tea with lemon and the fantastic 11 health benefits of ginger for overall health, weight loss, and longevity. Improved digestion is another one of the multiple benefits that turmeric milk offers us. Thus, improved digestion removes the problems of esophageal reflux, heartburn, and discomfort in the stomach and intestine. It is also an excellent drink to strengthen bones and prevent or improve osteoporosis, especially in menopause. These benefits are because turmeric milk enhances the absorption of vitamin D and calcium, which are essential for strong bones. To prepare this amazingly healthy drink, put half to 1 teaspoon of fresh or dried turmeric powder in a warm and not boiled glass of milk. Add black pepper to the tip of the teaspoon, which enhances ginger absorption in the body. For an alternative and more fortified recipe, you need the following: 1 cup of milk, preferably almond or coconut. Half to 1 teaspoon fresh ground or powdered turmeric. Half to 1 teaspoon freshly grated ginger. 1/4 to half teaspoon freshly ground black pepper. 1 spoonful of honey. Cinnamon to taste. To prepare this drink, heat the milk with the remaining ingredients in a small saucepan, over medium-low heat. Heat until warm but do not boil, stirring constantly. Strain it into a mug or glass and drink immediately. We can drink this beverage for 6 to 7 days, take a break of 15 days, and repeat the same procedure again if desired. The above ingredients dissolve slowly in warm or hot milk, and especially in cold milk. So, it is good to gradually mix the drink while enjoying it. It would be best to wear gloves because turmeric generally stains any surface it gets on. Please remember that although turmeric milk is a healthy and natural drink for the body, it is best to ask your doctor before drinking it, especially if you take medication or have health problems. In addition, be aware that the effects of turmeric may increase or generally affect the effectiveness of certain medications you are already taking. For example, turmeric has an anticoagulant effect, which can affect blood clotting, especially if you are already taking related medications. Also, you should know that some commercial turmeric powders are adulterated and do not contain 100% pure turmeric. Studies have shown that less expensive and perhaps toxic ingredients have been added to some packages. In addition, some turmeric powders may contain food coloring, which is added to enhance color. Therefore, it is preferable to choose fresh turmeric or organic if it is powdered. Turmeric tea and milk are natural and healthy drinks that can prevent or improve multiple health problems. Both are essential help for our bodies because they can detoxify vital organs which may suffer. Did you know how to make turmeric tea with ginger or turmeric milk? Have you ever tried drinking turmeric milk before bed to get all its powerful benefits? If you found this video helpful and enjoyed exploring the world of herbs and foods, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more health and wellness insights, tips, and delicious ideas to boost your well-being journey. Now that you know how to make turmeric tea with ginger, discover in the video on the left how to make ginger tea with lemon and its 11 excellent benefits for overall health, weight loss, and longevity. I wish you all the best and have a beautiful day and week.